When it comes to small, stylish city cars, no one does it quite like the Italians. More specifically, no one does it quite like Fiat. From the 500 in the Uno to the Cinquecento in the Panda, Fiat has delivered some of the world's most iconic and beloved small cars. And now there's a new one, the Fiat Grande Panda. But don't let its name fool you. It's every bit the compact Italian city car you'd expect. In fact, Autocar reckons it's the best small car on the market right now. So to find out why, I'm going to talk to someone who knows a thing or two about what makes for a great small car. Mark, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, the best small car of 2025, that's quite the claim, especially when you consider the influx of brilliant small cars we've seen come to market recently. But before we get into the details, I heard you were pretty smitten with the Grande Panda from the moment you laid eyes on it. Tell me about that first encounter.
Absolutely. It was back in January, actually, and we drive a lot of cars in this job. And actually, we're in an era where maybe car design isn't quite as creative as it has been in the past due to so many restrictions being placed on car makers. Seeing the Fiat Grande Panda for the first time simply made me smile, and it's made us all smile at Autocar. Looks great, drives well as well. It's a fabulous piece of product design, something Fiat should really be proud of.
Any small car worth its salt has to have character, a sense of charm about it. I think it's fair to say the new Grande Panda definitely delivers. Talk to us about the design and all the great little details throughout this car.
Everywhere you look, from every angle, there's something to make you smile. And when you look at it again, you'll see something you didn't see before. The front, there's these really cool LED pixel lights, real retro throwback, but it's the bodywork. There's the Panda logo stamped in the side, the Fiat logo on the wheel arches, and at the back, the Panda logo, the 3D effect, the way it sits on the boot lid. I love the use of colour. This one here, nice bright yellow, but there's the black mirrors, the black door handles as well, contrasting roof rails. It's just really, really cool. And it's not just on the outside. On the inside as well, there's some brilliant material use. There's bamboo on the dashboard, there's recycled cartons using the door cards as well. And the way the dashboard, the oval layout, even mimics that of Fiat's famous test track on the roof of its Lingotto factory. There's some real thought gone into every single feature of this car. But it's not just the badge, the name and retro features. There's things that bring the car right up to date as well. There's a true first on this car, a retractable electric charging cable. Why has no one thought of that before?
You mentioned the charging cable there, Mark. This car is available as both an electric and a hybrid. What are the differences between the two, and what is it about the electric version in particular that you're so fond of?
So that's right, there's the same car underneath, same basic architecture, but there's a hybrid version based around a 1.2 litre petrol engine with 109 brake horsepower. Then there's an electric version with 111 brake horsepower motor, 44 kilowatt hour battery, 199 miles of range. That's our favourite. It's so well suited to driving around town. Cars are a product of their environments. This car's from Turin. Turin, the roads are a bit like Britain, not very good, rough and ready. This car just devours city streets. It's nippy, grippy, rides well, quick off the line, good fun to drive around town.
Now, the new Grande Panda has won Best Small Car, but it's far from small inside, right?
Absolutely, so it's actually bigger than the original Panda. The Grande name is the bit of a giveaway there. It's just under 4 meters in length. It's quite a tall car, so you get good headroom, and there's comfortable room in the back as well for rear passengers. Boot space just over 400 litres in the hybrid, just under 400 litres in the electric version. So it's a practical car, one that's easy to live with, as well as one that's good to look at.
Perhaps the best bit of all about the new Grande Panda is the value it offers. What do you get for your money, and how does it compare to its rivals?
It's a nice, simple, straightforward range in the Grande Panda. Hybrid version starts at just under 20,000, electric version just over 20,000. 2 trim levels, both really, really well equipped. There's the red is the entry level one. With that, you get the retracting charging cable, the 10.25 inch touchscreen, air conditioning, parking sensors, or you can upgrade to La Prima, which gets you 17-inch alloy wheels and quite a few extra toys as well. Whichever version you go for, it's a good value car.
The Italian word for happiness, felicità, has been used a lot by Fiat when referring to the new Grande Panda. Do you think it fulfills that brief, Mark?
100%. Above all else, this is a small car that simply makes you smile, and it can brighten up even the most dour of days like today. It's cheery, it's good looking, and it's fun to drive around town as well. That's why it's Autocar's best small car for 2025.
Thanks, Mark.
Thank you very much.
So, there you have it. The Fiat Grande Panda Felicita on 4 wheels. And that's why it's Autocar's best small car of 2025.